Hey, what's up, coin hunters, and welcome to the unveiling of the Winnie the Pooh 50p coin. I have not seen it. I've let my son take his one out. Just got home from work probably about 20 minutes ago, and it was sitting in my mailbox. And also I've just pulled out the invoice that had my address on. Right, so I have not seen it. I got him to do it while I wasn't in the room to take his. So instead of just showing it to you, opening it, throwing it in the folder, we're gonna see what we get inside the actual envelope. So it isn't any kind of padded envelope you get with Westminster. There's something else in there. Oh, there's a card. It's just a normal flimsy envelope, but they do put it in their promotional thingy. So there's the actual coin, not actually held in with anything. Has this got any incriminating evidence on it of my name and stuff? Oh no, it's just got Dear Collector. So you get like a special offers sheet, and then it basically, they're trying to sell you everything that they have. So it's on the back there. So yeah, don't want that, throw that away. What else have they sent in here? There we go. There's the 50p with dinosaurs. Throw that behind me as well. And then their packaging. This is like what they're supposed to do. Let's see if it's even been done. So they're supposed to, it's just not even popped properly. It's supposed to be like that when we get them. But they're always loose. And like, I can shake it like this and it comes out. So we throw that away. So before we get to the coin, let's get rid of the packaging as well, which is there. Would you say we grab a Shield 50p and see what we got in the trading cards? So I have got 3 others. I can't even remember what they are. I've not really been paying attention, but as we're doing this, let's just unveil. So I know it's a 50p because we can see it there, but what one is it? Oh, so in the trading cards we got suffragettes. So I know a lot of people are collecting these, and people are actually spending money on them for things you get for free. But yeah, got suffragettes. Right, now for what we actually want to see, the Winnie the Pooh 50p. That cough isn't because I want to clear my throat. It's because there's no detail. There's detail on that side, but get up close. It's not like Paddington, where they've put so much detail into it. It kind of, I can't even say what I think he looks like he's sitting in. It would have been better if they made it like pouring out of the pot, and then you know what he's sitting in. But there is no detail to the bear at all. I can't see no furry detail. I don't know if it's because it's just in the plastic. When we get out the plastic, put in the folder in a minute. But this is, yeah. I just don't know what to say. It's like, come on. I don't know if you guys saw in my community page the actual one I made up, just copy and pasting stuff onto a 50p template. I was better than this one. I know I missed out the B, but alright, let's get this thing open. So let's get the folder. Do we need an... Do you know what? I needed a new folder thingy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the Rosalind Franklin one over, and then I think that's where Peter Rabbit was supposed to be, and we add it to the folder. Come here, you. Someone's going to Be like, you can't touch the coins with your bare hands. There we go. Pretend that never happened. Right, so I'm going to put Pooh Bear there temporarily, and then I'll move it over to the next page. But let's see if there's more. Alright, let's just rip this open. There we go. Free the bear. So let's have a look and see if there's any fingerprints on the Queen's side. I can see scratches. I don't know if you can pick it up. Where the P is, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. There's a scratch by the P. I don't know if you can see it. And there's a few other imperfections. Kind of thinking like the Royal Mint just sell the ones they not happy with to Westminster collection. Alright, so let's just pop it out. There we go. Is there detail? Now that I've got it out, there is a slight detail in the fur, but no, it could have been done a lot better than this. There it is. I gotta say, if you look at the Beatrix Potter ones, the detailing in, especially Flopsy Bunny, there's like detailing in the fur. There's detailing on the Taylor Gloucester. Is there any detail on that? Peter Rabbit might be too small. But there is detailing everywhere, even this Peter Rabbit. This one has a lot of detail in the fur. Why couldn't you have been done with this? That's my question. Not my favourite 50p of all time, I gotta say. Alright, but we gotta add it to the book now, don't we? So, I should have checked to see if I needed a new folder sleeve. But there we go. Oops, it doesn't want to cooperate and going straight. There we go. So this is what it looks like in a folder sleeve. I need to go get another one. I need to order some more. But yeah. So guys, after buying, all the people who's bought one, that's actually the gap for the Olympics one that was supposed to have been for this year. Yeah. So for everyone who's actually purchased one, how was the quality of your Westminster one? Did you get any scratches or anything like that? Any blemishes? I'm surprised there isn't a fingerprint on it, to be honest. But that's the way it is, I guess. But yeah, what do you think of the coin? Seeing it in person, everyone who's seen it in person, what do you actually think of the coin? You know when there's things where they say a photo doesn't do something justice? Well, this looks exactly like the photo. There is no difference in the photo at all. It's underwhelming, to be honest. I'm only spent what, $4.50 plus postage on my one, and when you're on eBay as well, you get like combined postage. You pay a little bit more, but you don't have to go through the channels of waiting for 12 months for a coin to turn up. But yeah, so guys, again, what did you think of it? Did you like it? Oh, there's a key fact there. I'm not really interested in this set. I'm just going to get it as a space filler. But yeah, tell me if you liked it. How was the detail on yours? Did you get any scratches, any blemishes? Like Westminster likes to put on coins for some reason. But yeah, so guys, thank you very, very much for watching. And I will see you in the next one. So take care, guys, and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.